Focus on maintaining a tight core, squeezing the triceps at the top. Starting position, feet hip width apart, toes pointed straight ahead, shoulders drawn back. You're gonna bend forward at the waist, extending the arms. From this position, you're going to pull your shoulders back, lifting the dumbbells up, then extending back, flexing your triceps at the top. Returning back, extending the arms towards the floor. That is 1 rep. We will perform 15 reps of this exercise. You ready? Let's go. Squeeze back, extend. Squeeze back, extend, return. Focus on maintaining a tight core, squeezing the triceps at the top, squeezing the shoulder blades back. Great job. Excellent. Focus, focus. Five more. 5. Great job. Maintain position. 4. 3. 2. And 1.